I'm Kelly.
Hey, I'm Josh. My name is Jackson.
And this is Jonathan.
Hey everybody, we have finally gotten to part 4 of our Colorado vacation, and I could not be more excited to share this part of the video with you guys. We had an amazing time with family, and it is a memory that I know our boys will have for years and years to come, and so will Jeremy and I. If you missed part 1, 2, or 3 of our family vacation, go ahead and click the link up there, and it will send you to a playlist for our Colorado vacation, and you can pick which video you missed. During the last part of our family reunion, we got to go downhill tubing, which was a whole lot of fun, and we got to meet the dog sled team at Snow Mountain Ranch, which was wonderful. They are really, really sweet dogs, as well as the team leader, and he was just very knowledgeable and really fun to listen to. It was a great time.
Going tubing. We're gonna see if they'll spin us in the double this time. See if we can get Kelly to video us. Go by yourself?
Uh-huh. It's my first time tubing.
Go Joshua!
Oh my gosh, he let him spin him.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Go for it.
You ready?
Let's do it. Ready? Go. Yeah. And I caught it.
Good job.
That was a lot of fun. You did it all by yourself. They spun you like a maniac. We're gonna see their sled dog team and all their huskies. The boys are pretty excited about that. Kelly and I are pretty excited about that. Man, this view is killer. You can see 360 degrees all the way around us. It's just beautiful, 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 beautiful. So we're off to chow down on some pancakes and bacon and eggs. Lots of bacon. And go see the dogs, and then we might take a special drive the long way home. Enjoy. Jackson, what are you doing here?
Looking at the huskies.
Hey, a lot of fun. Nice little doggies.
That dog is fast.
They are fast.
If I want to make a U-turn, if I'm going that way and I want to go back that way, I will say, come haul. In other words, come to me to the left. In a race, if you're passing another team, sometimes your team dogs will want to go meet the other dogs, which could be disastrous. If you have a good leader, I had a great leader named Yukon, and I would give him the command, on by Yukon, and he'd pull the whole team right past that other team, not allow them to break stride, not allow them to get distracted. He just kept them focused on the goal and the mission. Good leaders do that in life. They keep their teams focused on the goal or the mission. Pat would eat. If your pet ate the food these dogs eat, it would probably be like.
Get on where my bike.
Jackson, look, they're coming to see you.
Buy this food and let the person.
Come stand and see this one. Who's this dog? Who's this one? Oh, this doggy's soft.
Eddie.
This doggy's really soft.
Don't grab it.
He licked me on the pants.
That's funny.
He licked me on the pants.
That's funny. The dog, you can stand there and pet the dog. You look, Josh was petting him.
hope you enjoyed our Colorado adventure. We had an amazing time with family. We would love the opportunity to connect with some of you guys, so please let us know. What are you guys doing this summer? What adventures have you taken? Did you go to a family reunion like us, or did you do a staycation? Again, we just really would love to hear from you guys. If you enjoyed our video, go ahead and subscribe. We'd love to have you follow along with us. Check back in next week for some more of our downsizing and decluttering of our apartment. Our family's on to the next adventure. We look forward to explaining more about what that actually is in the upcoming videos. I hope you guys have a great week.